Use ChatGPT directly on your Mac instead of opening it in your browser every time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download the official ChatGPT app from OpenAI, install it safely, and get everything set up in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Safari, but you can also use Chrome or any other browser. Next, click the search bar. Then type ChatGPT download and press enter. Look for the official OpenAI website in the search results. Once you find it, click the official download page. Scroll down until you reach the desktop section. Then click download for macOS. If your browser asks for permission to download the file, click allow. Now wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded ChatGPT DMG file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the ChatGPT icon into the Applications folder. If you're prompted for your Mac password, enter it to continue. Wait a few seconds while the app is copied. Now open Launchpad or the Applications folder. Then click ChatGPT to launch it. If macOS asks whether you want to open an app downloaded from the internet, click Open. Once ChatGPT opens, sign in using your OpenAI account. You can also continue with your Google, Apple, or email account if those options are available. After signing in, you're ready to start using ChatGPT directly from your Mac. Once the app is running, you'll also notice the ChatGPT icon in your Mac's menu bar. You can click it any time to quickly open ChatGPT without launching your browser again. If you successfully installed ChatGPT on your Mac, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I regularly post simple Mac, Windows, AI, and tech tutorials to help you solve problems faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.